bit of resistance now for doing these PGs and masters in business because they just think it's too generic, and people almost want to go with something that's a bit more specialist. I think I've seen a lot more interest in the digital business space, but I do understand that EIT offers those masters and PG courses with some specializations, and I think something's just changed around you're doing two separate specializations. So can you just talk to that point of it?
About 4 or 5 years ago, we started off with this master's in applied management, which is seen to be generic, which is basically more of a leadership program, something which helps people to understand what it means to manage in the New Zealand context. So more something which helps them to build a strategy across the organization, understand how all the functions work together. But there has also been people in the industry who wanted certain specific skill sets in specific areas, one of them being the supply chain industry, the marketing industry, and also the new and upcoming digital business industry. And therefore, we worked with some of the people in the industry and eminent academics like Allison. All of them helped in developing these two new specializations. One is in the supply chain and operations management area, and the other one is in the digital transformation area. So we are now able to offer, in addition to that parent course, which is the leadership and management course, the applied management program, two offshoots of that, one of them being digital business and supply chain.
Listen, you were saying something because I do want to
say we do have an exciting new proposition with the postgraduate diploma or the masters in applied management, digital business. You can actually get a postgraduate certificate in something else. So you could come and be doing a Master of Applied Management, but you could have a postgraduate certificate in business analytics, digital business, or logistics and supply chain, and that goes alongside. It goes embedded within your Master of Applied Management. So this is just exciting that's coming up. Yeah,
brilliant.
So, just stepping in on that, Arunima, this is something new. You're going to be the first one to be offering this out to the market. So it is for you, basically. What we are doing is, when a student does the PG diploma in applied management or digital business or any or even IT, if they take a specific set of subjects, right, and gain credits up to 60 credits, that is 4 subjects especially in certain areas, they will also be offered a postgraduate certificate in that area along with their PG diploma or their masters. So they're getting 2 qualifications, and just because they have done certain study in that specific area.